Hey everyone out there, it's Rick here, and today I'm doing a video of my Casablanca Lady Delta ceiling fan. I got this at Goodwill for $15. It came with the motor, blade brackets, glass, and the hang true canopy, which is over there. But it was also missing the blades and the rest of the mounting hardware. But I got some Westinghouse replacement blades at Home Depot, I think. And when I got them, that didn't fit, but I just drilled them the other day, so they do fit now. And they're white with reversible bleached oak. But I just decided to put the white side on top. I think it looks pretty good. But anyway, I got it kind of wired up on my floor mount box. And it works great. Here, I'll turn the light on first. I think I've got three 15-watt bulbs in those three, and then this one's just a candelabra base bulb with a regular base to candelabra bulb adapter. So I kind of like the dimmer, look to it. It doesn't have to be like really bright bulbs, but I think it looks pretty good. Alright, now I'll turn the fan on for you. It's got 3 speeds, but the pull chain goes opposite of a typical 3-speed fan. It goes low, medium, high. So the first pull will be low. So here you go. Absolutely silent motor. Pretty good air movement even on low. I mean, you can definitely feel it. And it's a 42-inch fan. Okay, medium. You can definitely feel the air now. I think it's got some pretty good blade pitch to it too. Alright, and then high. Okay. And then it also does have a reverse switch, which I'll just show it on low reverse. You can see it definitely has some steep blade pitch. Oh, and here's the 4-blade configuration. The fan is 4 or 5 blade adaptable, so this is what it looks like with 4 blades. And I'll just run through the speeds again. Low. Their movement's about the same with both configurations. Okay, and medium. Alright, and high. Might move a little bit more air with 4 blades, but and that's back to off. Alright, and here's low reverse. Seems like it goes faster with 4 blades, but that's not surprising. Okay, well, I'll probably leave 5 blades on just because I think I like the look of that a little bit better, but I just thought I'd show you the 4 blade configuration. So thanks for watching, and there'll be more fan videos to come. Take care. Bye-bye.